Have you ever held your urine because you were busy, traveling, or stuck in a meeting? But does holding urine actually damage your kidneys? Let's find out the medical truth. The short answer is, occasionally holding urine does not damage healthy kidneys. So for most people, this is a myth. Your kidneys continuously filter blood and produce urine. This urine is stored in the bladder, an organ designed to stretch safely for some time before emptying. But problems begin when urine is held frequently or for long periods, day after day. This can weaken the bladder muscle and prevent complete emptying. Stagnant urine increases the risk of infections. Over time, pressure can travel backward, affecting the kidneys and impairing their function. This risk is much higher in people with prostate enlargement, diabetes, nerve-related bladder problems, or recurrent urinary infections. So the verdict is clear. Holding urine occasionally is usually safe, but making it a habit can be harmful. If you're struggling with urination, don't ignore it. Early consultation with a urologist can prevent long-term damage.